These nuts here, like this, I'm going to use the wire brush on them. Just put them in your vise and go to work on them. After you get them done, they'll look like this. Some of them are banged up a little bit. They got pits of rust on. But basically, this is how they'll look, and they look pretty good. Okay, here's what these look like after 2 or 3 days in white vinegar. Not too good, and I think that the apple cider vinegar would be better according to how these look. These look pretty rusty to me, but we're just going to use the wire brush like we did before, and it should work okay. After you get them out of the vinegar, first thing you should do is put them in a rag, put them on a rag. Dry them off best you can. Now normally I don't like to use gasoline to clean things, but in this case it's okay, man. So I'm going to take all of these parts here. I blew them off. They were in vinegar, white vinegar. Now I'm going to put these in the gasoline, and then what this is going to do is this is going to help to neutralize the acid. Also, it's going to make these so that they can dry faster. Hopefully this can wash off some of the vinegar. I noticed that they turned yellow, even though it's only been about 5 minutes since I took them out of the vinegar. So hopefully this will help them to dry off a little. I'm just going to let them soak a little. Now we have to do the long process of getting all this stuff out of here. There's got to be an easier way than this. This is gasoline, it's all dirty. I mean, you could filter it, but I'll just use this to clean paint brushes. So now I can dump all this stuff out. Now the reason why I put these in gasoline is, as I said, to help them to dry out. And it's not going to take that long. Gasoline, it dries out pretty quick. Pat them dry. Now that's good. Now I can just start painting. Open this green can. I'm just going to put these on a piece of melamine. This is melamine right here, white surface. And I'm going to let these dry for a little bit, for maybe like 2 or 3 hours. And then I'm going to try to wipe all the green off of there. Alright, here's the melamine board that I had, and this paint is coming off real good. This is I would say 3 or 4 hours since I put this paint on here, maybe a little bit more, so it's coming off okay. And tomorrow I will do the same. Take these bolts, paint them really nice. Here's a nut that was on there. And then we're going to look at these other bolts that I have here. Let's see, we got this one. Get this one here. It's got a big thing on it. I don't know what that is, but it looks like other paint that was on there. So I'm gonna have to paint these again, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not going to do these until tomorrow, but I am gonna get these nuts here. Okay, now this bearing, we're gonna have to put it in like this. Hopefully that'll be okay. Okay, and then this is some sort of a retainer or something. It says Ford on it. It's kind of beat up. Looks like it might have been a seal at one time. I'm not sure. But anyway, this has to go in here like this. You have to pound it in. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little bit of grease in here. More than a little. More than a little. This is red high temperature grease that I got at AutoZone.